And here we have a Samsung dryer. We're cleaning the vent because there's a 100% clog. And like I say all the time, always, always, always clean the inside of your dryer before doing the vent. This is on top of the heater. I'm pulling this out of the heater. Look at this. Look at that. Look at all this. This is all from the heater. And that's what's on the floor. This is all just packed inside of here. Let's turn a flashlight on and see what we've got. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That is going to start a fire. Look at that. Look at that. That was a fire.